What is going on, guys? Good morning. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made over $500 in a single day or single sitting on CPA marketing. Now, a lot of people are obviously going to be calling this video clickbait. I wouldn't be making a video on this if it wasn't clickbait. This channel is not even monetized, even though I have the requirements. I just did something wrong. So anyways, I'm just going to be telling you everything that I did, my reaction, what platform I used, how I got the free traffic, is it possible, can you do it, just a lot of other stuff, and I'm going to be telling you my overall story on it. So let's get into it. Now, I first actually figured out about CPA marketing from one of the biggest scammers in the Roblox community called Neox. Now, here's his channel, nothing really suspicious about it. Honestly, it's just the thing that he did a while ago. He actually used to be doing these loop live stream Roblox things, giving out free Robux apparently, and of course it wasn't a real thing, it was just a scam, so no one was actually going to get any money from it or anything like that. So apparently what he was doing was putting the link in the description down below to a free Robux generator or something like that. So if anyone's watching this from the CPA build or CPA grip marketing community, you obviously know that this offer is on there. So this is the one that's happening. So I didn't know anything about it, I just didn't care about it. But until we started really talking about how much he made off of it and all that stuff, I was like, okay, what does CPA even stand for? So he told me about all this stuff and I was like, why not give it a try? Little did I know that it's literally just getting people to submit their email to something. You're not really scamming them personally. It's just wasting their time, I guess. That's all I can say about it. Also, I'm 16, I'm from the United States, so definitely this is possible at any age, anywhere from the world. So definitely, the thing that kind of sucks about these videos is that there's not a lot of US based ones. So of course, if you're from the US and you want to help people out, go ahead and make some videos on these, because I can't really find any United States based videos on this. So anyways, I actually did hop on to this platform. You do have to sign up. For the one that I used, I actually went with CPA Build, as it did look a lot more modern, clean, a lot of that other stuff. Now sadly, I discontinued this, I don't really do it anymore, but I'm just going to be telling you, and I remember the story of how it actually went down and happened. Now, the best part about CPA marketing, if nobody knows what it is, CPA stands for pretty much cost per action or cost per mil, cost per something. So what this is essentially going to do, you're going to be the middleman of getting companies or organizations, you're going to get them some type of fill out form or something. So in this case, the offer that I was completing or making people complete was an email submit. So they'd actually go through some type of generator process or some type of content locker. And a content locker is whenever you want to get past something, like if you're trying to download a hack or something, people are going to say, go through this content locker, complete 2 surveys and you're done, and then you actually get the stuff. Well, sadly, at the end of the day, if you've been through this or if you actually seen it before, you're not going to get the download. You're just going to complete a survey or something, you're going to get money from it, and then nothing happens. You didn't get scammed, they didn't scam you, it's all good. So originally, no, I did not have to become the biggest scammer. I did not have to get 5 million subscribers to do all this. It was actually pretty simple, and I'm just going to be talking about it. Now, CPA, as soon as I just said about it, if anyone doesn't know what it is, I just pretty much said it. So you're just getting people to submit a survey. Whenever someone gets that email for you, that's what they're going to pay for, at least the offer that I was doing. And I'm not really sure who pays for it or what type of organization. I'm not sure what they do with the emails. Just make sure that people are smart with this, and I do believe that with the emails, that either send them email campaigns or do the email marketing, or they just completely sell off the emails. I'm not really sure here. Now, of course, for anyone that's wanting to click off this video thinking that this is a scam, obviously here's a picture of the overall screen it was that day. It was pretty crazy. I was in a friend with my call when we were all doing this together. It was just unreal. I didn't really think that it could actually happen. And here's it going to my bank account. Like, of course, I can't really lie about that type of stuff. For people that are starting this is very good. You do not have to put any money up front. It's not very time consuming. You don't have to build a website. You don't have to have a huge following. You're just pretty much the middleman of a lot of this stuff. So as soon as I started doing this, all you need to do is go ahead and pick an offer. And in my case, I actually did go ahead and pick up the Roblox offer, and just put it behind a generator that people already gave to me. And then what they want to do, you just want to send people to the link, and when they actually like fill out how much Robux they want, quote unquote, they're actually not going to get that. But as soon as they go over to the offer, it's going to say complete an offer, and then on top of that offer, they're going to have to just put in their first or last name or something, or an email, and as soon as they click continue or submit that, you're going to get the lead. So I do believe it was around $1.80 to $2 every single time someone did that. So I just thought to myself, I only need like 100 people a day to do that, to make 200 a day. Obviously, it's not that easy, 200 different people to actually 100% complete it. That's really hard, so I didn't get as much as I thought it would. I was scrolling around through the chat, and not a lot of people people knew what they were talking about. A lot of people were saying, go on Facebook groups, go on Google Ads. Just a lot of that paid traffic. I had no idea how to do it. There was no tutorials on this, nor I don't think I'm going to make any more videos on this. But of course, if you're interested in this type of stuff, go ahead and subscribe. If this video does good, I'll go ahead and make more content around it. But of course, what's going to essentially happen, I figured out that there's the app called TikTok. Everyone knows about it. And of course, if you're learning to get into the CPA marketing, TikTok is your best bet if you don't want to spend any money, nor if you don't know how to overall advertise this type of offer on Google Ads, as you get banned a lot and it's really hard. So on TikTok, what I did was there was these just overall little scams that I kept seeing on my For You page of people saying how to get free Robux, and they just inspect Element how much Robux they have, and then they say go to this generator and get some. Now I didn't believe that if the TikTok got like a few hundred views, anyone would do it. But to my surprise, as soon as I started doing this, I got like maybe 100, 300 views, 400 views on TikTok. And of course, a lot of people are going to say you can't get that right away. But all you want to do, it's just TikTok. They're going to give you a lot of free views. And I do believe in the first day of doing this, I think I got around $4 to $5. It was pretty crazy. Now with TikTok, you don't really know if your video is going to blow up, if it's going to get deleted, anything like that. So of course, I just eyeballed it. I just shot as many videos as I could. And I think one day, I'm not going to give you the account because the account actually got deleted on TikTok, sadly. But I think I can overall provide a screenshot of what the TikTok numbers. I think it was like 1.3 million views. I got that. It was just essentially me going over how to get 10,000 Robux. And then a lot of people actually went over to the offer page. They went and selected how much Robux they wanted. They submitted the offers. And I think around that day, I got like... It was something, I think it was like 425 leads, something like that. I'm not really, I forgot, but 425 leads, I think I made around $507 that day. And that was absolutely just crazy. I did not think that something would happen like that. Now, of course, the TikTok did get deleted, but I did get the screenshot before it did get deleted. So 1.3 million views, it went absolutely viral. Nothing terribly crazy around it. All you want to do is just go ahead and make free TikToks. And again, the best part about it, I put no money into that TikTok, no advertising. Now, in 2021, the TikTok algorithm, it's really different now. You really have to actually push out good content. You have to put a trending sound. You can't put any scammy words or things in it. So you got to be really careful, but definitely do say that this actually did work with TikTok. Go ahead and promote it. And of course, if anyone is interested in getting started with the CPA marketing stuff, I actually did use CPA Build. Go ahead and click the first link in the description down below. There's no affiliate links. You just want to go ahead and sign up. And it's as simple as that. You do not have to make a website or anything. It's honestly amazing, and honestly, a lot of people are going to be asking me, why did I stop this? You're stupid for stopping this. Well, of course, it was too much time. The later and the more I did it, the TikToks got deleted as fast as just literally as soon as I submitted it, it went under review and got deleted. All the TikToks started getting less and less views for me. Not really sure if the IP banned me, but it is something to look out for me. And of course, I just got overall tired of recording the same TikTok that I'm getting taken down. And then I just overall kind of felt bad just for doing this. So I did go ahead and stop this. But of course, if you're in desperate need of money, this is definitely a great way to do it. So go ahead, just try it out. And that's my overall story of how I made $500 in a single day off CPA marketing. I do believe that the total amount that I made off this in a single month was $800, nothing like that. I don't really do it anymore, but definitely it's a great thing to start. So that's my overall story. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Make sure you drop a like and subscribe if you made it to the end of this video, and I will see you guys later. Peace.